I'm about to go down Jaw Drop. The Jaw Drop slide on MSC World America is a 10-deck high dry slide that spirals from deck 20 to deck 8. It is the most fun slide on the ship, in my opinion. I love it so much. I've never been on a better dry slide on a cruise. Like, this one is awesome. It is actually the longest slide at sea, which is so cool. I did this slide so many times throughout the ship. It never got old, so I'd highly recommend it. I got so dizzy. Going to the World America Promenade. So beautiful. Wow. Now it's red. The colors keep changing. It's so beautiful. What do you guys think is the most peaceful color? Okay. This is probably my favorite area of the ship, the promenade. It is so beautiful.